In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Resetting your home screen is the best way to clear out a messy layout or fix ghost app icons without performing a full factory reset. So what you want to do is this is going to reset your wallpaper, remove all custom widgets, and return all apps to icons to their original pre-installed position. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your settings application. Mine's right there. And then go over and tap on apps, which is going to be towards the bottom. Once you tap on apps, go over to the filter on the top right and sort icon next to your apps and toggle on show system apps. So what we're going to do is go over to that, and then we want to show system apps as well, which is at the very top. Enable that, then go ahead and press OK. Now search or scroll down to find One UI Home. So I'm just going to scroll through. Obviously there's a bunch of different applications, but you can just type it in as well if you want to. So then just go over to O and then look for that, literally that one specific one. It's called One UI Home. Once you go ahead and click on it, go ahead and tap on storage. And then once you go ahead and click on that, go ahead and clear the data. As a result, your phone will momentarily flicker, and when you return to the home screen, it will look exactly like it did when you first took it out the box. Obviously, just make sure you press clear data and not clear cache. I'm not going to do it though, just because I don't want to do it, but it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.